I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one.
What's up, you guys? It's Alexis here, coming to you all with a brand new video. Today's topic, we're gonna be talking about things that I've done basically to help me get over heartbreak. I'm currently still in the healing process, but these are gonna be some of my tips and tricks that I'm doing currently to help me get better. If you're interested in this video and to see how I also got this look, keep watching. So what's up, y'all? It's Alexis here, coming to y'all with a new video. So today, y'all, we're gonna be talking about basically what I've been doing to basically get over my heartbreak or whatever. Well, y'all get ready with me. I ain't going nowhere. I'm in the house. I already did my eyebrows off camera or whatever, and we're just gonna do a simple makeup look, and I'm gonna do my hair because y'all, my camera might cut off because my storage is kind of trash. But anywho, so yeah, pretty much I really don't be telling folks about pretty much what goes on in my life. I'm a pretty much private person, but I just felt like I should make a video because there could be some females out there like myself that, you know, sometimes have a hard time dealing with heartbreak or whatever, and you know, sometimes don't know how to move on from it. But since I got you, so my number one lesson dealing with heartbreak, because I've gotten ghosted a lot, y'all. I've gotten ghosted a lot. I'm actually currently in the process of healing from a situation that kind of like messed me up, kind of like bad. It's just, it takes time, man. It takes time. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sugarcoat stuff for y'all and just be like, yeah, you know, you should get over it and just, you know, it'll be done within like a month or a couple of weeks, a week. You'll be back to yourself in a week. No, if you really like a person, that's not gonna happen. But at the same time, you shouldn't let yourself go because of somebody who didn't deserve your time and energy. You know, with me, I'm not really an affectionate person. I'm not really like emotional like that, but when I like somebody, like I like them, like you'll know like if I want to be around you or not. Like that's how I am, like with my friends and all of that. Like it's just how I am. It's just my personality. I just can't fake liking people like some people can. I just can't do it personally. That lifestyle didn't choose me. If I don't like you, I just don't like you. But when I really like a guy, I just, you know, I kind of go all in like too fast or whatever. But I try to dial back on that with these past couple of situations because like I get you know, that pain is a different level. And this recent past situation really kind of forced me to have to like deal with myself a little bit. So my number one advice, if you're going through a heartbreak or something like that, would pretty much be focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Don't question, well, why did this happen? Because I know that happens all the time. like we're gonna automatically think like we did something wrong, and like, oh, why doesn't he like me, why doesn't this person like me, or whatever, this that. Like, sis, let that go, okay? One thing, it was a hard realization for me to realize, but I had to realize it sooner or later, was that what's meant to be with me, what's meant to be for me will be for me. And I don't think you need to like have to rush stuff. And I was always just so anxious all the time to have everything, like, and you know, as I've gotten older, like, it's not worth it. That pain is just not worth it. You know, focusing on yourself is probably the best thing that you can honestly do at that time, you know, because you really begin to kind of learn yourself. And my mom always tells me like, oh, when you work on yourself, you'll begin to attract what is really meant for you. And you know, I would hear her, but I wouldn't listen. I was a person who got bored all the time. I get bored very easily. And I was like, oh, well, if this person isn't talking to me, then, you know, I can just go find somebody else. I know that's kind of toxic, y'all. I'm working on that. I'm not trying to be that way anymore, but I'm not gonna lie, I used to kind of be like that. But yeah, so I was like, okay, well, this person, if they don't want to act right, well, then I can go get somebody else. And you know, putting energy into another person, y'all, mind you, I have to make a side note, I wasn't committed to anybody. I was just talking to different guys. I was just, you know, dating, I guess, as they would say, dating. I was just dating, y'all. But wasn't with nobody. Had to put that disclaimer out there. But yeah, so I was just like, you know, instead of just focusing on myself and just doing what I was supposed to do and listening to what my mom was saying, I decided to entertain different energies. And so talking to different guys, instead of just focusing on myself, when I knew I didn't need to be talking to nobody else at the time, I was just making things worse. And so what happens is, when you don't focus on yourself and you choose to ignore the problems that you're having within yourself, and you're just choosing to just talk to more dudes or more people, whoever, you're creating, you're allowing, you're actually not creating, you're attracting what you are. Okay? And so the best way to put it is basically, so if you're kind of like messed up, like mentally or whatever, you're gonna attract that same person. You're gonna attract somebody who is not 100% committal, and you're attracting basically what you're like. And it's kind of crazy how the law of attraction works, because people don't believe it or whatever, and they think that it's fake and this and that, whatever. Okay, y'all believe that if y'all want to. Don't get your feelings hurt. But okay, and so I forgot what I was saying, to be honest. And yeah, so law of attraction. So basically, you're attracting what you are. And you know, say you're trying to you're trying to attract a nice guy or whatever, like, you know, somebody that's actually ready to commit, you know, like that's genuine, sis. If you're not at that point in your life, then you really can't be able to attract that. You're just gonna attract what you are. It's the sad truth. A lot of us females really don't like to hear that. I know, because I was the same way, and like honestly, I just had to learn the hard way myself. And at some point, you're gonna get tired of just consistently dealing with the same kind of people. So the best thing you could do is work on yourself. And so an example that I would say that I learned from actually taking the time to kind of like focus on myself was that I learned that one of my biggest things is like makeup, which is why I'm doing makeup on this video. But at the same time, I was just always so all over the place with it or whatever, and I wasn't really too focused, but I wanted to make it a career eventually. And you know, but I wasn't focused on it. I was too busy worrying about what other Negroes were doing. And I'm telling you, y'all don't want that. Y'all don't want that. Focus on yourself. And you know, once you do that, when I tell you, when you start to put yourself first, you attract so much better. Like so much. So many good things. This is not the mascara I wanted to use. I had it over here. I'm sorry. Please disregard. But I just had my mascara and somehow I just misplaced it. Like, you ever just lose something right in front of your face? Like, how does that work, Alexis? How, Sway? Like, literally. Make this up. Can't make this up. You know what? There's another, oh, here it is. It blended in with the floor. Okay, my bad. Yeah. I said I was gonna try to keep this video down at below 20 minutes because I don't want my phone to do some iffy stuff to me, so I need to hurry this up. My bad, y'all. My bad. This is so like what was the next thing I do? Hold on. You gotta highlight, y'all. I'm not too much like of a highlight. My sister's the highlighter kind of person. Like, she likes her highlights to be like shining, like, you know. I'm just kind of basic, so this is what we gonna do. But yeah, so pretty much another thing that I pretty much what happened with me is I started focusing like on my fitness, my health, just kind of focusing on like doing what actually makes Alexis happy. I'm still working on finding that all the way. Makeup is one. I'm just kind of lazy right now, so I'm trying to do better, but I'm a work in progress. That's all I gotta say with that. But yeah, so my number one thing would be, don't worry about what these Negroes got going on, okay? Because 9 times out of 10, they don't care. They don't care. I'm gonna cut it and be real with you. they don't cut it. I mean, they don't care. And one of my guy friends, I asked him about a situation that caused me to, you know, spiral downward, whatever the word is. And he told me basically that guys do what they do is because we allow them to do what they do, and we're not holding them accountable. So, moral of the story is focus on you, sis. Focus on you. Okay? Shoot, I'm a work in progress. I'm not perfect. I am still learning what I like and what I don't like, and how I like to be treated. And, you know, just you know, just kind of take this time and just, like, you know, just treat yourself, pamper yourself. You know, you don't have to have somebody to pretty much be happy in life. And that's the thing that a lot of people fail to realize, you know, because a lot of people aren't okay with being alone. Nobody wants to be alone. That's like a huge fear that I'm pretty sure a lot of people have. But, you know, that's just, I ain't want to burn myself. But honestly, sometimes you just have to be alone with yourself to, you know, before you can allow somebody else to step into your company. And I think that's just the number one thing that people should always remember. But hold on, I'm gonna finish curling this hair. I'm not gonna curl this hair on camera because, yeah, my storage space is kind of trash right now. So I'll be back. Okay, so y'all, I have finished curling the hair, and I am brushing out the curls a little bit so they can be like a little loose. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that it wasn't like super long, but like I said, I had no storage like that. But I just wanted to do this video to kind of do like a little basic get ready with me, and I wanted to give y'all some advice. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Bye.